Wolf Langa speakers. Oh, Dutch and Dutch. Okay. Let's see which ones they have set up. Really cool brands in here. From Passion Audio. Okay. Bonjour. Dutch.
Crazy, I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy, crazy for feeling so blue. I knew you'd love me as long as you wanted, and then someday you'd leave me for somebody new. Worry, why do I let myself worry? Wondering what in the world did I do? Oh, crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you. Crazy for thinking that my love could hold you. I'm crazy for trying and crazy for crying, and I'm crazy for loving you.
Take a look over here.
Who can I count on if
Are there cowboys in the house?
Oh, look at that. No hat today.
No hat today?
Can I ask about this? I've never seen this piece here.
This piece here is the Watson
Yeah, I was looking at the.
Lounge. That's the Lounge Edition. The Lounge Edition was made only 50 worldwide,
Cool.
and they'll made 50 more. That's a better power supply, better wiring than the regular version.
Okay.
It's a streamer dock.
Yeah. It's cool.
We'll play digital music pretty soon because I'm feeling some kind of pressure.
Uh-oh.
I don't know by who.
hmm Now, you know what?
Don't look at me.
I feature a lot of LP systems.
I wanted to wait until the room was empty to try it alone.
I see you
Gotta
got
take risk in our business.
you got some good albums too, I see.
You know, I don't mind taking risks.
That's right.
You're gonna be doing the Dutch and Dutch as well?
Yeah, not unfortunately, not this time.
Okay.
Yeah, because we tried to make a perfect room, so the Dutch and Dutch could play easily anywhere, because they're with the room correction, you can play anywhere, even on walls.
Right.
It's 4 in the morning, the end of December. I'm writing you now just to see if you're better. New York is cold, but I like where I'm living. There's music on Clinton Street all through the evening. I hear that you're building your little house deep in the desert. You're living for nothing now. I hope you're keeping some kind of record. Yes, and Jane came by with a lock of your hair. She said that you gave it to her that night that you planned to go clear. Did you ever go clear? Oh, the last time we saw you, you looked so much older. Your famous blue raincoat was torn to shoulder. You'd been to the station to meet every train. You came home with a Lily Marlene, and you treated my woman to a flake of your life. When she came back, she was nobody's wife. Well, I see you there with a rose in your teeth. One more thin gypsy thief. Well, I see James away. She sends her regards. And what can I tell you, my brother, my killer? What can I possibly say? I guess that I miss you. I guess I forgive you. I'm glad you stood in my way. If you ever come by here for Jane or for me, well, your enemy is sleeping. Woman is free, yes, thanks for the trouble you took from her eyes. I thought it was there for good, so I never tried. And Jane came by with a lock of your hair. She said that you gave it to her Sincerely, El Con.
Really nice.
Bonjour, bienvenue.
Can I ask you, are these top modules interchangeable if you want to put the tweeter
Yes,
on the
of
inside?
course, yeah, but they told me to put them that
That's fine, yeah.
Yeah,
But that's good to know that it's interchangeable.
Yes,
You
yeah,
can
you
you can
just-
unhook it and then you can swap them out.
Because there
Yeah,
are
on the bottom right, yes. It's a brand new Canadian Premier.
Is it
Magnet.
magnets.
Yes.
There are magnets all over the wood, under the wood, so
Okay.
I can slide it. But I don't want to touch because we
Yes, you
every
got it up.
millimeter
Hey.
is calculated. To make it
Very
sound
very
like
nice
this.
sounding. This is the best I've heard these speakers. So you set them up great.
Thank you.
Very nice
I
job.
have help from Nashville, Tennessee.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The system is great.
Yeah, I love it. Thanks a lot.